Hello, cousin. I am Uncle Mike, your favorite YouTuber's favorite uncle. And this is year 2, week 46 of my YouTube channel. And I have still been thinking about killing that deer last week and why it was such an emotional experience. I mean, this is what I said last week. Relearning and reinforcing my place in nature. And cousin, as I think about it, yes, it is still an emotional event because it reinforced my place in nature. But it's more than just that my place is in nature. It's as if the politics of today and the culture of today. You see, cousin, I am a scientific mind. As you know, if you've been following this YouTube channel, I am an aerospace engineer, even though I never sent any vehicles to space. So I have this data-driven, this analytical, this put two and two together, cousin, mind. And so it is as if politics and culture, it's like the uranium atom. It's radioactive. It's decaying. It has a half-life. If it cannot sustain itself. And that's like how I see this man-made politics and culture of today. Is this radioactive? It just can't survive. It's going to decay. It's going to have this half-life. And so for me, it's crap. Right? It's not natural. And so, the experience of killing that deer felt natural. And as I said last week, it was as if I have now found my place in nature. And that is profound. And that is emotional. But there's one more aspect of it, and I've been contemplating on this. It's not just that I found my place in nature. It was also that nature is my place. Spending these weeks sitting in the woods, what I like to call deering. It's not really hunting. I mean, I'm just sitting up in the deer blind waiting for the deer to come by. It's kind of like fishing. So, cousin, I call it deering. So, sitting out in the woods and deering, but sitting out in the woods is where I make myself happy. And where I have now been reinforced that not only that I have a place in nature, but that nature is my place. And that's amazing. That is amazing, cousin. And that is why here in year 3 of my YouTube channel, I am going to be focusing on nature, the laws of nature, right? The laws of science that are unbreakable, and investigating those and showing you cool things out in the world where it is the laws of nature. Amazing. Remember, thumbs up because you are amazing. Subscribe and chime that bell to get notified, because I am your favorite YouTuber's favorite uncle. I am Uncle Mike. Oh yeah, by the way, this video is not sponsored by PBR Hard Coffee, but it is PBR with rule number one: party! Boom! And I started this, and I don't know what year it is. That was the whole point of bringing the iPad in. Let's start again then, huh? If I don't even know what week it is, how can I do the intro? Yep, that's what I thought. Okay, cousin. Okay, right.